Okay, today is June 4. Yeah, it's June 4, year 2025. We are here at the Torres Farm. Look, yan, nasa Singapore na tayo. Singapore! That's a sign of Singapore. Mukhang pwedeng tayo mag-boat dito. One time we visit here and we can play boat. Meron daw silang swimming pool dito eh. Yan o. Yan. May castle dun, may bridge pa. Galing na? Ganda dito, no? Dito, dalhin ko yung maliit kong boat. Ay, pwede palang magkayak dito eh. Ayun o, mayroon silang totoong boat eh o. Yan o, pwede yata magkayak dito o. Diba? Ayan. Ganda lang dito. It's perfect for the whole family. Okay, that's about it. Thank you.